Let's begin with a single, gentle breath. Inhale slowly, and as you exhale, feel the weight of your day begin to soften. There is a constant pressure to know, to solve, to figure everything out. We believe that by pushing harder, the solution will appear, but forcing answers often delays them. The mind, like a clenched fist, cannot receive anything new. So for a moment, let's simply unclench. Bring your awareness to the space around you. Notice the quality of the light in the room, the way it falls on a surface, creating a gentle warmth. Listen to the quiet sounds, the hum of the house, the distant whisper of the world outside. Feel the support of the chair or the floor beneath you. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw release. This is a practice of softening. The mind sometimes needs softness before clarity emerges. Instead of focusing intently on one thing, allow your attention to become wide and gentle, like an open field. Relaxed attention sees more. It notices the subtle connections, the quiet whispers of intuition that are often drowned out by mental noise. As thoughts arise, as they surely will, simply acknowledge them without judgment. See them as clouds passing in the vast sky of your awareness. You don't need to follow them or push them away. Just let them be. In this space of allowing, clarity finds its own way to you. It doesn't arrive with a thunderclap, but with the quiet unfolding of a leaf, the gentle settling of dust in a sunbeam. It emerges from ease, not from effort. Now consider a question that has been weighing on you. Something you feel you must solve right now. Step back from that one unanswered question today. Give it space. Release the need for an immediate answer and trust that by letting it go, you are creating the very conditions needed for the right insight to surface. Let's close with one more. Slow, conscious breath. Inhale peace and exhale pressure. Carry this quiet presence with you. The answers will come when the mind is ready to receive them.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.